One of the reasons we got interested in AI from the very beginning is that we always viewed our mission as a timeless mission.
Google just launched its Gemini AI model. Want to try it out for free? A version of the model, called Gemini Pro, is available inside of the Bard chatbot right now. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Google Bard, now powered by Gemini AI. The revolutionary multimodal AI, meaning that it can understand and transition between text, audio, photo, video, and code. Google's new Gemini model appears to be one of the largest, most advanced AI models to date. In this video, I will show you how to set up an account and how to use it. For now, it is completely free. Alright, let's get you set up so you can use this game-changing technology for your own benefit. Go to your browser and enter bard.google.com, or you can just click on the link below. In order to use it, you'll need an account with Google. Who doesn't have one these days anyway? You just have to sign up if you don't already have a Google account and you are ready to go. You will be faced with this interface. You can now start asking it questions like how you would with chatgpt. It has suggestions for inspiration purposes, and it can give you a normal text response and a step-by-step guide based on your question. Here's a text response for a friend who may be stressed out at work. See how it provides optional steps as well. Now, I am asking Bard to give me ideas for content creation. Not only did it generate topics, it also provided levels of difficulty along with tools recommendations and explanations. I did notice the lack of mention of ChatGPT, not sure if this was intended. The suggestions can be quite vast, from finance to social causes. But here's something cooler. I have uploaded an image of a candle and have Bard generate a product description for my website. Let's see what it does. It is pretty impressive. Not only did it manage to capture the look of the candle, it also highlighted the texts in the image. Now, I'd like to include the sense with top and middle notes description purely based on Bard's imagination. This is a very good and believable list of fragrances for those who doesn't know their candles. With the new addition, the structure changed accordingly as well. Let's see how it compares with OpenAI's ChatGPT-4. For a fair comparison, I have copied the prompts to ensure that it is both given the same prompt. It is noticeably slower for ChatGPT as compared to Bard. Well, it gives a fair description, but my intention is to have a product description for my website. It seems like ChatGPT's output missed that bit. It shows a pretty decent understanding when it comes to the sense. However, for our use case, Bard is more intuitive. Here's a feature that is unique to Bard. I asked Bard to give me the summary of a video tutorial on how to make a candle on YouTube. Look at it go. Not only did it manage to provide the breakdown, it also highlighted several tips from the video. Replicating the same prompt in ChatGPT-4. Even though GPT-4 now has access to Bing, it is still lacking in video understanding capabilities. Moreover, you need to be on a paid plan to access GPT-4. Instead, I will have to ask GPT for a text-based question on candle making. It gives a pretty decent output with materials required and a step-by-step guide. If you need more inspirations on what to ask Bard, just start a new chat and hit the refresh button for sample prompts, and you can see a huge range of inspirations and case studies. I've tested this out and short-listed the useful ways to utilize Bard, and I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.